Chinese residents' fervor for travel and leisure over the 8-day Mid-Autumn Festival and National Day holiday has reflected the country's strong consumption demand. From top domestic destinations including Beijing, Shanghai, Chengdu, and Hangzhou, to cities in the northwest like Urumqi in Xinjiang, known for their scenic autumn landscapes, resorts across the country were flooded by visitors during the holiday. Latest data show that more than 52 million trips were made by rail, highway, water, and civil aviation every day during the 8-day holiday period, posting a year-on-year increase of more than 50%. The booming tourism has driven the high demand for flights and train tickets, hotel rooms, catering, and retail sales.
今年是亚运之年，我们首先推出了对亚运的官员、运动员到景区参观是免费的，持有亚运门票的，我们也会给一定的优惠。
知道这生意成功了，就过这边来，这是第一次过来，就是觉得这里很舒服，让人很轻松、很惬意。
The National Day holiday, dubbed Golden Week by the Chinese, normally runs for 7 days. But this year, it was linked with the traditional Mid-Autumn Festival and extended to 8 days, lasting from September 29th to October 6th. A longer holiday fuels people's enthusiasm to travel and enables them to engage in various leisure activities. Those who do not travel far during the holiday are not idle at home. They went to cinemas, pushing the national box office to exceed 2.5 billion yuan. E-commerce platforms, coffee chains, and supermarkets are luring them with attractive discounts and coupons, further boosting consumption.
11期间的话呢，咱们就是说这个店面应该是爆满的状态，然后像咱们的座位都是满的，客流比较大的情况下呢，下午我们可以不打烊，然后继续营业，来满足一个顾客的需求。
消费的能力非常好，非常强啊，客流一直不错。
According to the online platform Meituan, the average daily spending on service retail sales soared 153% compared with the same period in 2019, making this year's Golden Week the hottest one in the past 5 years.